Hi, I'm Leann Gertson, and I'm an investment advisor representative with Investment Advisors International. And Dan Nguyen and Joshua Hernandez were doing a workshop here at the office, and I found the information that Dan gave on wills and trusts just very informational, and I realized that I need to make sure that my home is part of my trust, and that advanced healthcare directives are very important to have stated in your trust, and also that probate costs a heck of a lot of money. So if you're concerned about your kids having to come up with 30, 40, 50,000 upon your death, then it's really important that you get a trust. Thank you.